Hello everyone. Hi RK, hi Shivesh, how are you all? Yesterday you guys didn't came in my class? Where were you? Okay, chalo. So yes, yesterday we discussed two gene interactions, okay, two gene interactions or non-allelic interactions we have discussed. So if you have not watched that class, after this class, go and watch it because it's very important. And today we are going to do this sex determination. Sex determination is pretty easy topic. It's a very easy topic, but question comes here, so it's important. And one thing in sex determination I am going to tell you is about Drosophila, which is not given in NCERT, but sometimes question comes from that. So that we are going to do in the last. First of all, whatever given in the NCERT, we will do that, and after that we will do it that Drosophila one at last. Okay, everyone. Chalo. Great, great. So many students are absent today, right? Sri Shai is absent, Thai is absent. I'll scold them, let them come. Okay, I'm releasing, I'm starting the 75 days challenge, and I promise you that those sessions will be best sessions on YouTube. It will be starting from 11 o'clock from Monday. I know that you might be in college or you might be in school, but watch the recordings of those videos. Okay, RK and Shivesh, great. Chalo, let's start this session. So sex determination is what? Sex determination is basically how we are recognizing the gender, like how we are able to determine a gender of a particular organism. Okay, this we are going to learn in sex determination. Okay, now see, sex can be determined in three phases. Okay, in three phases the sex can be determined. One is what? Before fertilization. फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं हुआ है उससे पहले भी हम सेक्स डिटरमाइन कर सकते हैं. सो वन थिंग इज प्री फर्टिलाइजेशन सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन. प्री fertilization sex determination. Okay, pre-fertilization sex determination. Next is what? Next is post-fertilization sex determination. After fertilization is done, then the organism sex is decided. So second is post-fertilization sex determination. Okay, post-fertilization sex determination. Have I written the spelling wrong? Determination. Okay, great, sir. Now, third scene is during the fertilization. Like fertilization is happening, and that time only the sex of the organism is discussed. That is what that is at fertilization. Okay, at fertilization. So one by one we are going to cover all of them. Clear to everyone? Should I move forward? One case, pre-fertilization. It's when before the fertilization the sex is decided. After the fertilization the sex is decided. During the fertilization the sex is decided. Okay, three cases. Now let's move forward. So first of all we are going to talk about the mechanism of determination. How we are determining, right? How we are determining. Okay, before that I'll give you the examples also. See, at fertilization at fertilization the sex is determined of human beings, right? We say that, sir, if Y chromosome is coming from the male gamete, the baby will be boy. Post fertilization is done in crocodiles, and pre-fertilization is taking place in honeybee. Have you got bitten by honeybee, anyone? Have you got bitten by honeybee, anyone? ऐसा हो ना, but if you have been bitten, then congratulations, you have achieved a thing. Once I have bitten by a dog. Okay, Shivesh, you have. Okay, once I have been bitten by a dog, but you should be very careful. If you got a dog bite, take rabies injection because it's very necessary, right? Because rabies has no cure. So it's better to prevent, like to take the vaccines, right? Chalo. Now let's get back to the topic. Mechanism of determination. How we are going to determine. Mechanism of determination. Clear? Chalo. So see, first of all, in our body, whenever we write such type of chromosomes, right? We write 40, how many chromosomes do we have, sir? We have 23 pairs of chromosomes, yes, sir. And when we are writing this, we are generally writing 44 plus XX and 44 plus XY, yes or no? So why we are writing 44 different and then we are writing XY or XX, yes or no? What is this? So these are the chromosomes which are controlling your eye color, which are controlling your hair color, which are controlling your style, which are controlling your personality. So they are what? They are known as what? Autosomes. They are known as autosomes. These chromosomes has nothing relation with your sex, okay, right? And this XX and XY are what? They are the allosomes or the sex chromosomes. These are the chromosomes which are going to decide whether you will be male or female, okay? Allosomes. Clear? Allosomes. Okay? Clear to everyone? Great. Now, first type which we are going to discuss here is our type, which is XX and XY type, okay? Which is XX and XY type. RK and Shivesh, I have uploaded some of the videos. I hope you have seen those videos. Reproductive health videos I have uploaded. One part is uploaded. Second part I'll ask my team to upload it today. The team has forgotten to upload it basically, so I'll ask them to upload it today. So complete the reproductive health from those recorded videos, okay? That is a very good video, and once you have done, ask me for the notes. I have a very good notes for reproductive health, okay? Chalo. Now, so XX and this XY type. So this is very easy, sir. We all know. See here, what happens here in this case? XX is what? XX is female, yes or no? And XY is male, right? Like I have XY and RK is having XX, right? Why RK is a girl? Because she's having XX chromosome. Why I am a boy? Because I am having XY chromosome, yes or no? Yes, guys. Now see, one more term I am going to introduce here. One is homogametic, and the other one is heterogametic. One is homogametic and the other one is heterogametic. Okay. Homo means what, sir? Homo means same. Homo means same. Yes or no? Yes. Homo means same. And hetero means what? Hetero means different. Yes or no? Okay. This is clear. So guys, see here. If female is going to make a gamete here, gamete will be of same type, yes or no? Female is going to make two gametes and both the gametes is going to have X and X chromosomes, right? So this type of gametes are known as homogametes. Only one type of gametes. Homogametes are what? Homogametic conditions, or homogametes are what? When an individual is making only one type of gametes. Only one type of gametes. Do remember, I'm not saying that it's making one gamete. I'm saying one type of gamete. It may make two gametes, it may make three gametes, it may make four gametes, but type is what? Same. All the gametes are same. Okay, clear? Great. Now, sorry, heterogamete. Let's talk about the heterogamete. Okay, one more thing. Winter is coming and your NEET exam is also coming. Please make sure to take care of your health. Don't do shitty things like I have done. I wasn't wearing the good clothes and all, so I got cold. And if you will get cold, you will lose some days of your preparation. So please be sure that you don't do these things. Now let's talk about the heterogametes. What is heterogametes? See, ye dekho, talk about the male. So male is going to make what? Male is going to make two types of gametes, yes or no? One gamete will contain X chromosome and the other gamete is going to contain Y chromosome, right? Okay, so heterogametes are what? Heterogametes are those types of gametes or those types of individuals which are doing what? Which are making more than one type of gametes. Okay, more than one type of gametes. More than one type of gametes. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Great. Any doubts? Any doubts anywhere? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. See, so if I go in very detail in heterogametes, so see here, if gamete is being made, so sir, autosomes will also be divided. Yes, obviously. So we have 22 plus x, autosomes 44 थे, so 44 का आधा हो जाएगा which is 22 and उस सेक्स क्रोमोसोम्स एक आ जाएगा तो ये एक गैमेट बना. Here one gamete 22 plus by the another gamete. So see here, from this gamete female will be produced. Yes or no? From this gamete X से female बनेगी. From X female will be produced. So can I name it as gynosperm? Gynosperm. That means it is that sperm which is going to make female, and this is that sperm which is going to male. So I'm gonna write here androsperm. Clear? Clear to everyone? Yes. So majority, if some people know that the male person is responsible for the sex of the child, so the women who are facing lots and lots of difficulties that why you have not given a male child and all those things, they would have not done these things with the women if they were educated. So that's why education is very necessary, right? Okay, now let's move on and let's talk about this thing in human beings is happening. Yes or no? This happened in human beings. So what's happening, sir? In this case, we have seen that if XX is there, so it will be female, and XY is there, so it will be male. That's all. That's all. Okay. But sir, there are some conditions in which we can see the number of chromosomes gets increased. The number of chromosomes gets increased. Suppose that a person is having 44 plus XXY chromosome. 44 plus XXY chromosome. So this condition is known as what? This condition is known as Klinefelter's syndrome. Remember it. It comes in the exam. It is Klinefelter's syndrome. Okay? Klinefelter's syndrome. Now, if suppose that there is absence of one gamete, absence of one chromosomes, 44 plus XO. O means what? Nothing. O means 0. O means 0, nothing, right? So it will lead to Turner's syndrome. Turner's syndrome. Now how we can learn this, sir? We always gets confused. Yes, very good. So see, we say na, तुम्हारा दिमाग खाली के टन टन आवाज करता है. We say na, like in when we had kids, so we go to and we hit the head of our friends and we say, see, it's sounding like ton ton. Is it empty or what? So ton ton empty. Turner syndrome, one chromosome नहीं है. Clear to everyone? Okay. एक क्रोमोसोम नहीं है. टर्नर सिंड्रोम टन टन खाली है दिमाग, एक क्रोमोसोम नहीं है. क्लियर? Will you be able to learn like this? Great. Okay. चलो. And why this happens, sir? This happens because of non-disjunction of chromosome. Non-disjunction, what is it? See, when you have read about the cell cycle, right? So their crossing over was taking place. Yes or no? This type of situation was there. And if these chromosomes has to be separated, right? This bivalent has to be separated so that it will go to different gametes. But in some cases, these chromosomes are not separated, and this is the reason why these types of syndromes are produced. Clear, RK Shivesh? Clear? RK and Shivesh? There is one more person watching my class but is not commenting. Clear? Okay, great. Chalo. Now, one more thing you have to check here, that similarly like human beings, we have some plants which also follow XX and XY pattern of sex determination. Okay, For example, we have coquinia. We have coquinia, okay? And one more plant is melandrium. Melandrium. Just isko yaad kar lo, okay? So these are the plants which follows XX and XY situation. XX male, XY female. Clear to everyone? Okay. Chalo. Now, next situation is opposite. Next is opposite. What opposite, sir? In this, XX, God was like, I will, बहुत हो गया, XY is male. Now it's enough. Now XX को male कर दो and XY को female कर दो. So God made XX male and XY female, right? So one case was what? One case was XX female like us. XX female like us, okay? And the other case is opposite to us. Other case is opposite to us, which is having XX male and XY female. Clear? Okay? Understood? Yes or no? Great. Now see here. For this, if I talk about where it is present in butterfly. It is present in butterfly. Okay? It is present in moth. It is present in moth. It is present in birds. It is present in fishes. It is present in almost reptiles. Okay? Many reptiles. Okay? Yes or no? Clear to everyone? Acha. If you are not able to remember all the things, do remember butterfly. It's an important example. Do remember butterfly. And after that, do remember birds and fishes. Okay? At least you remember these things. Okay? At least you remember these things. Clear to everyone? No doubts? Great. Now, let's move on. And let's understand about the situation here. So, let us make a bird. Tuk tuk. Tuk tuk. Okay, these two are the birds. So, what is going to happen, sir? Here, this bird will be what? If this bird is containing XX chromosome, if this bird is containing XX chromosome and this bird is containing XY chromosome. So guys, which will be male and which one will be female? Which one will be male and which one will be female? RK, Shivesh, Akshay, which one will be male and which one will be female? So the XX will be what? It will be male. XX will be male and XY will be female, right? Why? Because they are following this type of sex determination. Clear, RK, Shivesh, any doubts? Yes or no? Okay. Now, let's move forward. Let us move forward and let's talk about the another one, third type of sex determination. And this type of sex determination, second will be female. Yes, second will be female. Very good. Let's talk about the third type of sex determination. And that is what? That is XX and XO type. Okay? XX and XO type. Okay? Right? Clear? So, in this what is happening? XX is female. XX is female. And XO is what? XO is male. XO is male. Right? XX is female and XO is male. Right? In this case, male is having only one sex chromosome. See, male is having only one sex chromosome here. Right? 0 means what? Nothing. Khali. 0 means nothing. So, male is having only one chromosome. Only one sex chromosome. Only one sex chromosomes. Right? Now, examples you have to remember here. The examples are what? Grasshopper, a very important example. Grasshopper. What's the spelling of grasshopper? HOPPER. Right? It's a very important example. बाकी कुछ याद रहे ना रहे, You have to remember this grasshopper. Okay. Now next what? Squash bug, cockroach, and then we have one more, which is ascaris. Okay. So what you have to do is that at least you have to learn this. Grasshopper तो याद करना ही करना है, बाकी याद कर लो तो ज्यादा अच्छा. Clear? Okay. Not more than that. Not more than this. Whatever I have written, it's sufficient. Clear to everyone? Yes or no? Yes. Great. So let's move on and let's talk about the another thing. Acha, one more thing. Here I'll ask you a question. Which one is homogametic and which one is heterogametic here? XX is homogametic or XO is homogametic? Let me know in the comment section. XX is homogametic or XO is homogametic? What was homogametic, sir? Homogametic was that kind of gametes or that kind of thing which is producing same type of gametes. Yes or no? Heterogametic was those type of thing, those type of organism in which different types of gametes are produced. So which one is homogametic and which one is heterogametic? Yes, XX is homogametic. XX is homogametic. And XO is what? Heterogametic. Okay. Why, sir? X is it's having only one chromosome, but see what's happening here is that one gamete will have the sex chromosome and एक gamete में sex chromosome होगा ही नहीं, right? So it is heterogametic here. Clear to everyone? Any doubts anywhere? Let me know in the comment section, guys. No doubts? Great. Chalo. Let's move on. Let me drink a water for a while, okay? I'll come here so that you can't see me. Chalo, I am back. Okay. Let's again have a sorry. You have to bear my cough for a little while. See, let's do a cross between this. Okay, let's do a cross. So let's suppose we have autosomes. I am writing AA as autosomes plus XX, and I am writing again AA represents the autosomes plus XO. Okay. Now make the gametes, everyone. Gametes banao. So gametes will be like this. Sir, here the gametes will be A plus X only. Yes or no? Will there be any other kinds of gamete? No, sir. Only and only A plus X will be here. Here what is going to happen? Two types of gametes. A plus X or A plus O. Yes or no? Yes. Or I can say A, just only A, nothing. This can be written like this. A plus O or just A. Right? So now, if these two are gonna fertilize, we will have the female child. They will have the female child. Yes or no? Yes. And if these are going to fertilize, then they will have the male child. Yes or no? Yes. Yes, sir. Clear to everyone? RK, our Ranveer Kapoor, is it clear to you? Shivesh, is it clear? Akshay, is it clear? Yes or no? Let me know in the comment section. Acha, what is the probability of having male and a female child here? What is the probability of having male and female child here? 50%? Acha, I'll change my question little bit. I will change my question little bit. 1 second, let me add some slides here. Okay, now see. Here in this case, 50% of male gametes 50% of male gametes do not have sex chromosome. Do not have sex chromosome. See, this line at this point, it's very easy. At this point, you have read this thing and you are very much okay that yes, in this case 50% of the male gametes don't have the sex chromosome. But when this line comes in your NEET examination, you will be like, ऐसा भी हो सकता है क्या? So these small lines, these small concepts are those concepts which you have to remember so that you won't make mistakes in your NEET examination, right? This line is very much fine, but again it will come, you will just think this line according to yourself, like xy, xx and xy, y to hoga, then this statement is wrong. No, this statement is correct with respect to this condition. Yes or no? Clear to everyone? Okay, chalo. Great. Now let's have, I think so today's class will be very small because we have completed this sex determination. Now there is a very small topic left. Let's have the genic balance theory. Okay, genic balance theory. Genic balance theory. Okay, yes or no? Okay, how many of you can attend the class at 11 o'clock? RK, can you attend the class at 11 o'clock? Like live class. On Monday, I'll be giving you the best content ever which is not present in the whole YouTube. पूरे YouTube में ऐसा content कहीं present नहीं होगा. And I bet that. So if you can attend that lecture live, it's good. If not, don't forget to watch the recordings, okay? Chalo. Let's talk about the genic balance theory. This is not given in NCERT, but बहुत बार exams में पूछे जाते हैं. And right now, you know the condition of NEET, right? Many things are removed, many things have been added. So it's creating a little confusion. So let's study. It will take 5 minutes, but it can, if it comes in your exam, it will give 4 marks, right? So don't ignore this. So it's what? It's a theory which was given by a person whose name was C.B. Bridges, which we don't have to remember. And this genic balance theory is only and only valid for Drosophila. Okay? Drosophila. You know Drosophila? Drosophila? वो जो ऐसे मिठाइयों वाले दुकान में तुम जाते हो and then you see that fruit fly and then you happily buy it and then you eat it, and when you eat it, germs comes inside and you get a disease. That is Drosophila. Okay? Drosophila. It is also known as fruit fly. Okay? Now see, according to this theory, Drosophila sex is decided by the sex index ratio. Okay? Just imagine, na, if someone goes and asks Drosophila, what's your sex? Are you male or are you female? And he will be like, चलो कॉपी पेन निकालो, अभी सेक्स इंडेक्स रेशियो निकालते हैं, राइट? मैं यहां क्यों पढ़ा रहा हूं? जस्सू ऑफिशियल. चलो, see here. Drosophila, sex of the Drosophila is determined by what? It is determined by sex index ratio. It is determined by sex index ratio. It is determined by sex index ratio. Clear? Now, how to calculate the sex index ratio? See here. So before that, let me explain you, like we are having how many chromosomes, sir? We are having 46 chromosomes, yes or no, in total. So similarly, this Drosophila is having 8 chromosomes, okay? Drosophila, diploid number of chromosome is 8 and haploid number of chromosome is 4. Okay, yes sir, yes. Now see, what is happening here is that the fourth chromosome is the sex chromosome. So I am going to make a structure. मतलब आप तो अनअकैडमी के टीचर हो सर. Okay, thank you for this. So let's come back here and let's make this structure. So this one chromosome, okay, This is the second chromosome, okay, and this one is the third chromosome, right? So we have 3 chromosomes, and these 3 chromosomes are autosomes. These, hi VIR87. So these are what? These are 3 autosomes. These are what? These are the 3 autosomes. RK Shivesh, clear hai? Any doubts? These are the autosomes, yes or no? These are the autosomes, clear? But the fourth chromosome is sorry, the fourth chromosome is the sex chromosome. The fourth chromosome is the sex chromosome, right? Now when you go and ask this Drosophila has to do some calculation. What calculation? See, if the the sex ratio of sex chromosome and its autosome, if the ratio of its sex chromosome and its autosome will be more than 1 का साइन किधर होता? इधर या इधर? Okay, leave it. I always get confused in this. I'll just write, I'll play safe here. More than 1, okay? More than 1. You guys do the cheating, so I can do the cheating, right? If x upon a is more than 1, if its ratio is more than 1, then we will call it as what? We will call it as meta-female, okay? Meta-female. Yes, yes, meta-female. Meta-female, clear? And if we have x upon a ratio equal to 1, okay, equal to 1, so we will have normal female, normal, okay, normal female. We will have normal female. Next what? If the ratio of, sir, practical, Devika Dhami, what practical, huh? If I have x upon a 0.5, if the ratio of x upon a, which is 0.5, between 0.5 and 1, then it will be what? It will be intersex. It will be intersex, clear? It will be intersex, okay? Next what? Next we have x upon a. If the ratio of x upon a is 0.5, then we will have males. Then we will have males. And if we have the ratio of x upon a which is more than 1, sorry, let's have 0.33, then this will be known as meta male. This will be known as meta male. Any doubts anywhere to anyone? See, I'm repeating again. Agar x upon a ka ratio is more than 1, then we will have meta female. X upon a ratio is equal to 1, normal female. X upon a ratio is between 0.5 to 1, intersex. X upon a ratio is 0.5, male. X upon a ratio is 0.33, meta male. Okay. Now let's solve the questions. Let's solve the questions so that you will be able to understand how we are going to apply this thing. Okay. How we are going to apply this thing. RK Shivesh, any doubts? RK and Shivesh, any doubts? Let me know in the comment section. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Okay, chal. Now, let's move on. Let's move on. So, determine the sex of Drosophila. Determine the sex of Drosophila. Jassu official, are you Jashreet? Are you Jashreet? Determine the sex of Drosophila. Okay. So the option is XXX plus 2A. Okay. Let's suppose the sex chromosome is 3. The sex chromosome is 3 and autosomes is 2. A represents the autosomes and XXX represents the sex chromosomes. So here what's happening? How to calculate the sex index ratio? See, ये तो बताया ही नहीं मैंने. हाँ, इसका formula तो बताया ही नहीं मैंने. Sorry. So see here, sex index ratio. The formula for sex index ratio is what? Number of X chromosomes upon number of sets of autosomes. Okay, number of X chromosomes number of X chromosomes upon okay, just so official. I thought you are just read. Number of X chromosomes upon number of sets of chromosomes. Number of sets of autosomes. Okay. Number of sets of autosomes. Clear? Right? So this way we can calculate. This way we can calculate with or determine the sex index ratio. So see here. How many X you can see? How many X you can see, guys? Not your X, okay? This X. How many X you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, we can see 3 X chromosomes here. So write it 3. And how many pairs of autosomes we have, sir? We have 2 autosomes. So 3 divided by 2 will give us what? 1.5. Yes or no? Will give us 1.5. And 1.5 is what? More than 1. And more than 1 was sorry, meta female. Thank you so much, Jassu. मैं भूल गया मैं क्या पढ़ा रहा था. 1 second. Yes. So 3 by 2 is what? 1.5. And 1.5 is what? It is more than 1. And more than 1 is what? It is meta female. Meta female. Okay. If you liked my session, Jassu, come daily and let's crack NEET 2024. Meta female. Okay. Chalo. I'll give other questions and those questions you have to do. Yes or no? RK, Shivesh and Akshay, Jassu, VIR, Gaming, 87, everyone. Okay. Do this question. So I'm giving this triple X plus 3A. Okay. Triple X plus 3A. Now, what will be the sex ratio here? First of all, calculate the sex index ratio and then we'll decide whether it is male, female or what. Okay? Yes? Chalo. Let me know. बताओ जल्दी से बताओ. बताओ जल्दी से बताओ. I'm waiting for your answers, guys. तब तक मैं पानी पी लूं थोड़ा सा. चल. Triple X plus 3A. 1. Okay, great. So if it is 1, what will be the sex of the Drosophila? If it is 1, what will be the sex of the Drosophila? See here. Oh, 1 second. I have made a mistake or what? No. It is equal to 1. So it will be what? Meta female. Equal to 1. बच्चों, equal to 1. Equal to 1. See, check here. It's equal to 1. Normal female, exactly. It will be normal female. Yes or no? It will be normal female. Yes, exactly. Acha, one more thing, people. You download the Unacademy app, search it Harsh Kumar and join the community. There you will get all the notes and all the things. Okay. One way you can get the notes there. Second way, you can click the Excel sheet link given below and from there you can access the notes. So there are 2 things from where you can access the notes. Okay. Chalo. Let's do one more question. Good. RK good. Akshay very good. And Shivesh also good. Chalo. Now I'm giving you one more question. XO plus 2A. XO plus 2A. I will not help in this. I'll not help in this. Tell me. XO and 2A. First of all, find the sex index ratio and then give me whether it is male, female, intersex or whatever. Right? Male, female, intersex or whatever. Sir, app requires more data when we are not able to attend other lectures. No. Don't worry. YouTube is there for you. I'm just saying that to download the notes and all, you can use that thing. Okay? Right? And RK will have some poll sessions there. You can activate some data saver mode or something. then you can take the classes. Okay, questions, when we will do quiz questions na, some tests and all, then we will use the app. Mail, will it be mail? Will it be mail? And those who have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe it. Will it be mail? Yes, guys. RK, it will be mail. Very good. It will be mail. Yes or no? How, sir? How it will be mail, sir? See here. Number of X chromosome 1. Autosomes 2. So 1 divided by 2 will be 0.5. And 0.5 is what? Male. Yes or no? अरे हाँ या ना, कुछ तो बोलो. Is it clear? ठीक है, चलो one last question. Double x plus 3a. Double x plus 3a will give what? 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 Do it fast. We have haplodiploidy sex determination left and environmental determination of sex is left. और हनी बी को भी तो देखना है. जल्दी करो, जल्दी जल्दी, फास्ट. डबल एक्स प्लस 3a. मेटा फीमेल, थोड़ा सा गलत हो गया. मेटा फीमेल इज नॉट द आंसर. More than one. Is it more than one? Is it more than one, RK? Is it more than one? 0.6. Yes, just 0.6 is it's coming. It's coming 0.6. RK, you made a mistake. It's less than 1, right? It's option, it will come 2 by 3, right? 2 by 3 will be what? Yeah, 0.6. So it will be what? Let's see here. 0.6 it's coming. So between what? 0.6 is basically between 0.5 and 1. Okay, 0.5 and 1. So it will be intersex. Yes or no? Intersex. Yes or no? Clear, RK? Got your mistake? Got your mistake? We will learn from our mistake. No issues. No, RK. No issues. If you are wrong, which this means that you are learning. Yes or no? Chalo. Okay, no one is gonna judge you here. Oh, RK made a mistake. No one, because everyone makes a mistake. The only thing matter is that we have to learn from our mistake and let's become a doctor. Chalo. Next, let's move on with the another case. This was like, about chromosomes 1. Now different types of things is coming and you will be like, huh, aisa bhi hota hai? See here. So first of all, we are going to talk about the haplodiploidy sex determination. Okay, haplodiploidy sex determination. This is very much important. Very much important. Honeybee case. And questions always arise from here. So the summary for this thing is what? Haploid will be male and diploid will be female. Okay, summary is haploid will be male and diploid will be female. Okay, this is the summary. What's the process? See here. So males are haploid. यहाँ पे males के साथ थोड़ी discrimination होती, but ठीक है, चलेगा. Males are haploid, N, right? And females are what? Females are diploid. Clear? Okay. Females are, one second, I'll erase this. Yeah, females are diploid, which is 2N. Clear, everyone? Great. Now see here. Example for haplodiploidy is ants. It happens in ants also and honeybee also. Majority the question says honeybee, but remember ant also. What if they ask about ant and you will be like, ये तो पढ़ा ही नहीं हमने. पढ़ा है भाई, right? Okay, चलो. Yes, Shivesh, everything is going fine now? Let me know in the comment section if everything is going fine. Okay, chalo. Now see here. we have a female honeybee. Okay, we have a female honeybee, and diploid number of chromosome for the honeybee is 32. Okay, it is 32. And then we have a male honeybee, and it will be having 16 chromosome because it is haploid. Okay, great. Now see here, to make the gametes, what is going to happen? Now here I am going to ask you a question. We all know that gamete formation takes place through meiosis. Now guys, let me know if in males meiosis will take place or not. Answer termites. Yes, termites also. Yes. And let me know that whether here meiosis is going to take place or not. Whether when the males are making the gametes, whether they will undergo meiosis or not. So guys, they won't undergo meiosis. They will undergo mitosis only. Because see, they already have 16. 16 का 8 तो नहीं हो जाएगा, right? It can't happen. So males undergoes mitosis to make the gametes. And here female undergoes meiosis to make gametes, which will be having egg, that is n is equal to 16. Clear? And this will be n is equal to 16. Now they will do what? They will do fertilization. And if fertilization took place, zygote will be formed. What is going to form? Zygote is going to be formed, and zygote will be 2n having 32 chromosome, and this zygote will be what? This zygote will be female. Now see here, this also depends. If zygote is given, royal jelly, so it will become what? It will become queen. Which will be fertile. And if this is fed with bee bread, so it will become worker bee. But remember, fertilization hua, so it will be female only. No males are produced when fertilization is done. So sir, males are produced when? Males are produced without fertilization. If no fertilization has taken place, then males are gonna produce. Yes or no? Males are produced, and this process is known as parthenogenesis. Clear to everyone? Yes or no? Let me know in the comment section, guys. This is known as parthenogenesis. They are known as what? Males are known as drones. Clear? Okay. Chalo. Great. This is also done. Should I move forward? RK, Shivesh, Akshay, should I move forward? Yes or no? Great. Chalo. Yes, Jassu. Yes. Chalo. Next what? Sorry. Next we are going to have environmental determination of sex. It's non-genetic, like it's not dependent on genes, it's not dependent on the genetic or heredity. Environment, it depends on the environment. Okay, this is pretty weird, right? Like thanda mein, like if you have taken birth in winter, so you will be female or you will be male. It's very weird, but it happens. Environmental determination of sex. Environmental sex determination. Akshay, if you want to leave the class, you can leave the class, but we have some goals here, so we will complete our goals and then we will go, right? Yes or no, everyone? Do you want me to end the class right now? Environmental sex determination. Okay, so first of all, here we will be having see, if like you will be amazed to know that, like sir, if suppose the baby is born, okay, So at the time of birth, the sex of the baby is what? The sex of the baby is what? Whether it will be male or female, it will be hermaphrodite, okay? It will be what? Hermaphrodite. So I will write here, in early stages, organisms, in early stages, organisms, one second guys, तुम लोगों के चक्कर में मैं स्पेलिंग्स गलत लिख देता हूँ. In early stages, organisms are hermaphrodite. But means they're confused whether should I be male or should I be female, right? They have the ability to decide depending on their environment. Hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite का spelling खुद से complete कर लेना. चलो. In early stages, the organisms are hermaphrodite. Now let's take an example of a marine worm which is known as Bonilia. Bonilia is a marine worm, right? Marine worm. Clear? Now see this. Yes, Akshay. That's good. So now this Bonilia worm is what? This Bonilia worm is very dusht prani. Very dusht prani. See here. Bonilia worm. It's what? If suppose that it is present or it is living between the females, right? Living between the females. If this worm is living between females, so it will decide what? It will decide to be male. Okay? Larva will be male. तुम लोगों ने मेरे क्लास को नजर लगा दिया क्या? लैग होने लग गया? 1 second. Is it clear? Okay, chalo. Now it's good. Chalo. See here. कहाँ गए हम? Yes. So if this Bonilia worm is living between the female Bonilia worm, it will be male. And if this Bonilia worm is living between the male Bonilia worm, living between male Bonilia worm, then it will be what? Then it will be female. Okay. Larva becomes female. Yes or no? Becomes female. Clear to everyone? This is one example. Clear? Now see here, one more thing. This Bonilia worm is what? The male Bonilia worm are very small in size. Male Bonilia worm are very small in size. Male Bonilia worm is small in size. Yes or no? And it lives inside what? It lives inside the uterus of Bonilia female. It lives inside the uterus of Bonilia female. Okay? बाहर ही नहीं निकलता ये, वहीं बैठा रहता. It lives inside the uterus of Bonilia female. And this example is what? Commensalism, amensalism, parasitism, competition. Tell me. Commensalism, amensalism, parasitism, competition. Tell me. What is this example? Which thing is shown by this Bonilia worm? Lives inside the female body. Anyone? Jastu, Shivesh, RK. Anyone? Okay, I got one answer. Which is parasitism. Great, good. Parasitic or parasitism. So this is an example of parasitism. It's not given in your ecology. It's not given in your ecology, but see, it's given here. Parasitism. Okay, so the question, if the question is asked, you will be like, sir, this was not given in the ecology, but see, we have to study here, right? Clear? Okay, chalo, great. Now let's move on. And again, we have another one, which is mollusca. Examples of mollusks. Mollusks. And the organism name is what? The organism name is Crepidula. Crepidula. Okay, it will take more 5 to 10 minutes. We'll complete the sex determination and then go. Okay, don't worry everyone. Everything is clear now, people? Any doubts? See, mollusca is Crepidula. Mollusca, example we are taking. Now here what's happened? The larva is what? When the larva is living in the company of female, here also, when the larva is living in the company of females, in company of females, RK, any doubts? Shivesh, any doubts? Jashu, any doubts? In the company of females, then what it will form? It will form male. Larva will become what? Larva will become male. Okay. And similarly, if it is formed in isolated places, larva kahin dur jaake baith gaya, so then the sex of the larva will be male. Okay. Isolated places, isolated place, then the sex of the larva will be male. Clear? Okay. Comment करके बताओ फटाफट से if you have any doubts. Larva will be male. Sorry, larva will be female. Larva will be female. I'm so sorry. Larva will be female. Clear? No doubts? Great. Larva will be female. Should I move forward? Now comes crocodile. This is very important. Crocodile, turtles, these topics are in principle of inheritance, sex determination. Principle of inheritance, sex determination. Okay, right? Clear? Chalo. Now we have crocodiles. Now we have crocodiles. Crocodiles is what? Crocodiles are very cute animals, right? Very cute animals, yes or no? No, it's not cute, sir. They are very dangerous. See, in lower temperature, female, higher temperature, male. Okay, lower temperature, female, lower temperature, female, higher temperature, male, higher temperature, male. Okay, lower temperature, female, higher temperature, male. Let's suppose the egg is being laid and the temperature is low. The environment temperature is low, then we will have female, and if the temperature is high, the surrounding temperature is high, then the sex will be male. Clear? Clear to everyone? Then we have turtles. Then we have turtles. Okay. In turtles what we have? In turtles what we have? Below 25 degrees Celsius. Below 25 degrees Celsius we have more males. More males. Okay, like let's suppose 100 eggs have been laid by turtles and temperature is below 25, so 90 of them will be males and 10, very less, will be female. Okay, clear? Next we have above 35 degrees Celsius. So above 35 degrees Celsius will have more females, will have more females. See, these are the topics now you have to learn. कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता इसका. You have to learn and you have to revise again and again so that you won't forget. In topics se only 1 or 2 questions will come, but these questions are very easy. See, you don't have to apply any logic, you just have to remember and take it. In biology or everything you are remembering, so remember this also. It can give you 4 marks, right? Why to lose a single marks? Physics, chemistry तो थोड़ा डामाडोल हो गई, मेरा भी था, तुम्हारा भी होगा. I hope so. If it's very good then it's fine. So वहां पे नंबर कटेंगे, तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा बचाते हैं ना, बायोलॉजी में नंबर बचाते हैं थोड़ा, right? Okay. Now, if it is between 28 degrees Celsius to 33 degrees Celsius, then it will be what? Almost equal. Males and females equal. Males and females equal. Clear? Males and females equal. Yes or no? Yes or no, people? RK Shivesh, clear? RK Shivesh, clear to everyone? Great. Chalo, great. Now, let's move on. Just show, is it clear? Is it fine now? Video lag ho raha hai? Is my voice coming okay? RK Shivesh, clear to everyone? Okay. Now, let's move on. Just show. चलो, everything is fine, Akshay. Let's move on. आगे बढ़ते. अब बस थोड़ा सा बचा हुआ है. See, Medusa, a marine fish. Okay, Medusa, a marine fish. A marine fish. So, in this what happens? Na? Change of sex happens due to temperature. Change of sex happens due to temperature. Change of sex due to temperature. It's not even 1 hour, guys. तुम इतना ही में थक जाते हो, हाँ? Change of sex due to temperature. If the water is cold, then we will have male, and if the water is warm, then we will have female. Okay? Then we will have female. Clear to everyone? Clear to everyone? Sorry. Chalo, great. Now see here. Let's have another one, which is cytological basis of sex determination. Cytological basis of sex determination. Cytological basis of sex determination. See here. This is very much important. Like if you will watch the reproductive health video, I have discussed a term there which is bar body, and I have told that I'll discuss this term in detail in some other session. So this is that session where I am going to discuss the bar body here. Okay. So see here, what happens now? If I talk about the human female, sorry, female. So what is the genotype here? So we have XX and 44 plus XX we have, right? We have 44 plus XX, yes or no? Yes. So see what happens now? Only a single X chromosome is sufficient to produce the characters of a female. Okay? 1 second. The single X chromosome is sufficient to produce all the characters of the female. So one X chromosome do what? It get condensed. One X chromosome, it get condensed, and it gets converted into bar bodies. Okay? Every cells. It happens in every cell. If you take hair of a female and if you will see under the microscope, you will able to see the bar bodies. If you take the skin cell of the female, you will able to see the bar bodies. Yes or no? Yes. Now see here. This bar body is what? If a person is seeing, like let's suppose you went to a doctor for some tests and all, a pregnant lady went to a doctor for some tests, and somehow that doctor is able to take out the amniotic fluid. Okay, in amniotic fluid there are some cells, and if the doctor is able to see the bar bodies, then he or the doctor can declare that this baby is a girl child. So this is the cytological basis of sex determination, which is banned in India. Clear? Okay, everyone? Shivesh, Jassu, Akshay, RK. Clear? Okay. Now I'll have some questions. You have, see, only one functional X chromosome will be present. Clear? So see here, number of bar bodies. You have to write number of bar bodies is equal to what? It is equal to number of X chromosomes minus 1. Okay, number of X chromosome minus 1. But here see, if I talk about this one, 44 plus X 44 plus XXY, what will be the number of bar bodies? Let me know in the comment section. Number of bar bodies here. Number of bar bodies here. What will be the number of bar bodies here? Anyone? Anyone, not everyone. What, sir? Huh? Everyone. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Let me know in the comment section. What will be the answer? How many bar bodies will be present here? How many bar bodies will be present here? 1, 2, 3 or 4? 1, 2, 3 or 4? Yes, RK, Shivesh, Akshay. The number of bar bodies will be what? Number of X chromosome minus 1. How many X chromosomes are? 2 X chromosome. 2 minus 1, 1 bar body. Clear? 22. क्या बोल रहे हो अक्षय? बार बॉडीज की बात कर रहे हैं. bar bodies is what? Number of X chromosome minus 1. Number of X chromosome minus 1. Okay. So how many X chromosomes we have? We have 2 X chromosomes, right? 2 X chromosomes. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. So number of bar body will be 1. Clear? Clear? Yes, yes, Shivesh. Now next one. Next one, Akshay, do this. Do this. Let's have this one. 44 plus triple X. This is known as what? This is known as super female. This condition is known as super female. Yes or no? Super female. Yes. Super female. Calculate the number of bar bodies. Calculate the number of bar bodies. Calculate the number of bar bodies here. Calculate the number of bar bodies here. Will it be 1? Will it be 2? Will it be 3? RK, are you there? Any doubts anywhere? Shivesh, any doubts anywhere? Jassu, any doubts? Let me know in the comment section. I know my video is a little bit stuck, but it's fine. Voice is clear. Voice is clear. Number of bar bodies. Yes, very good, Akshay. Number of bar bodies will be what? It will be 2. Number of bar bodies will be 2. How, sir? We have total 3 X chromosomes. So 3 minus 2 will be 1. 3 minus, sorry. 3 minus 1 will be 2. 3 minus 1 will be 2. Clear? Clear to everyone? Yes? Okay. So here we have completed. Here we have completed the sex determination. Here we have completed the sex determination. And tomorrow will be the last class of this chapter, which is principle of inheritance. And in that we are going to deal with the sex inherited characters. Okay. So do attend tomorrow's class. Tomorrow is Sunday, but still we will be going to have some of the classes. Notifications will be sent to you. Click the bell icon, subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any classes. And remember, from Monday at 11 o'clock, I have a big surprise for you. Till then, bye-bye everyone. See you in the next class.